Electronic demonstratives in the courtroom sure make presenting more convenient and flexible, but occasionally things get lost in the digital translation. On the other hand, a physical object can give jurors a hands-on experience that they can understand and remember. 3D printing offers the perfect compromise. Your jury can learn by observing a physical model in action, while you can scale impractical objects to a manageable size with pinpoint accuracy. Juror comprehension benefits from variety. Different jurors learn in different ways, so consider a 3D printed demonstrative in place of a few of those slides.